Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the hard drive from an HP G71 laptop computer. First thing we want to do is flip this sucker over, and we've got these nice compartments here. We've got a battery compartment. This is probably a RAM compartment here, and then this is the main compartment where we are going to find the hard drive. It's really nice when they separate them out like that for us. So to do that, we need a little tiny screwdriver. I've got one here. I've got an entire kit with all kinds of different attachments and accessories. I will put a link to this in the description below so you can get one for yourself. Then it's a simple process of removing the screws. So we got that one. That one. The number of screws vary from laptop to laptop, and you may have a little trial and error in finding the proper screws or locating all of them. Hopefully this video will eliminate that process so that you will be able to get it on the first try. So there we go. We have removed the back door here. We've got the battery. We've got the RAM right here, so it's not here, and then the hard drive here. Now, to remove the hard drive, this can be a little tricky. They've got a little tab here that you're supposed to pull to get out, but it looks like it's connected all the way around and also here. So we want to pull it this direction, opposite of where it plugs in, and you can see it came off, and then lift it up. Now the hard drive has been removed. What I'm going to do is remove this harness here as well to get the hard drive completely free. Because we don't need this harness on it. I only want the hard drive. Alright. And there we go. So that is it. That is the hard drive there. We can take all this stuff, put it back together with a little piece of tape. I got this nice tape roller, Duck brand. I can put a link to that in the description below as well. Throw some tape right there, tape that on, and then we'll drop this back in here so that it's available to whoever has the laptop for repair. And now we do the same thing in reverse though. Simply screw these screws right back into their place. And you can see there we have removed the hard drive from this computer. So that is it. That is how to remove the hard drive from an HP G71 laptop.